Imagine walking into a vehicle and feeling like you just entered a luxury penthouse. Marble-style countertops, ambient lighting, a queen-size bed, and tech that responds to your voice. But here's the catch. This isn't a hotel. It's a motorhome, and it costs a jaw-dropping $210,000. Sounds insane, right? But wait till you see what's inside. Because by the end of this video, you might just agree it's worth every single dollar. From the outside, this Mercedes motorhome blends sleek automotive design with serious road presence. Built on the latest Sprinter chassis, the body features an aerodynamic front, chrome accents, and custom paint options that scream luxury. Massive panoramic windows surround the cabin, hinting at the comfort inside. And with integrated solar panels on the roof, it's not just stylish, it's smart too. Whether it's parked in a mountain valley or cruising down the coast, this thing turns heads everywhere it goes. Inside, it's an entirely different world. The interior is wrapped in handcrafted leather, real wood trim, and high-gloss finishes. The lounge space includes a convertible L-shaped sofa, a motorized dining table, and a 55-inch 4K smart TV hidden behind a sliding panel. Soft ambient lighting gives it the feel of a luxury apartment, not a vehicle. Everything is voice-controlled, from the temperature to the blinds, thanks to Mercedes' latest MBX infotainment system. The kitchen? Better than most home kitchens, it comes with a full-size fridge, induction cooktop, convection microwave, and even a wine cooler. Cabinets are soft-close with brushed aluminum hardware, and the countertops are solid surface with integrated lighting. You also get a full bathroom with a rainfall shower, porcelain toilet, and LED-lit vanity mirror. And yes, it's all housed inside a motorhome. In the rear, the private bedroom is pure comfort. A queen-size memory foam bed, under-bed storage, built-in reading lamps, and a skylight make it feel like a boutique hotel room. Some variants even offer smart glass dividers, giving you privacy at the tap of a button. With silent climate control, double insulation, and top-tier soundproofing, it's easy to forget you're in a moving vehicle. So is it worth $210,000? If you're just looking for something to camp in, definitely not. But if you want a full-time luxury living experience, on wheels, with the reliability of Mercedes-Benz engineering, it might just be the best purchase you ever make. It's not just about traveling. It's about traveling without compromise.